Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Yesterday we did an official announcement of the Prayaas Test Series and today a sample paper is released. This paper is for Chemistry 12th Standard Maharashtra Board students. If you want the document, you can always join the WhatsApp group given below in the description box and request the document. To enroll in the Prayaas Test Series, you can always join the WhatsApp group and DM the admin to know the perks of the Prayaas Test Series. This is the question paper, and Prayaas Test Series offers you that you can write the answers of this question paper on the answer sheet and send it to us. Moreover, we'll check your papers, point out your weak and strong areas, analyze it, in what parts you must do more study, in what parts you are doing great and continue doing it. So, please like, share and subscribe the channel to get more updates about this. Keep watching. Thank you.